Dila, yan po, dahil live na live po tayo dito. Thank you. Yun, parang kakulang na talagang, wow, hindi ko na-experience. So, very, very fantastic ito. Dahil yun nga, kasama po natin ang marami natin mga kapuso. Wala ka sa babies. At ito may mga sumusunod ngayon. Ay, ang mga friends natin sa lahat. You have very every fan. And, para malaman natin kung ano ba ang nagaganap at nandito sila. Ito, tawagan na po natin ang Pacific Partnership Mission Commander and Commander Destroyer Squadron 31, Captain Bruce Stewart. Hello. Governor, hello. How are you? Good morning to you and welcome to Unang Gate. Thank you very much for allowing us to feature you guys. We're here in our country. Please tell us, what is your mission here in the Philippines?
I'm sorry.